Hey guys, it's Drea. So tonight, because it is night, it's 9:30 after work. Tonight I am doing two videos for you. You'll see this one first and then you'll see another one with the same getup. You're also going to hear Animal Crossing in the background because, like I said, after work, people are winding down. Not much I can do about that. So enjoy the soft, calming sounds of Animal Crossing in the background. So today I'm going to do a haul. This is kind of like mainly all the rest of the stuff that I purchased online that didn't come in time for my last haul, but also I've been to the drugstore, so there's enough stuff here. And then yeah, let's just jump right into it, I guess. So I'm gonna start with Shoppers Drug Mart. This took a long time to get to me. I probably ordered like 4 weeks ago and this came about 1 week ago. So oh, that's from Sephora. Okay, first thing is I really wanted to get bubble bath. I've been using bath bombs from Lush, and I don't really want to purchase online from Lush right now. I don't even know if they are shipping. And I keep trying to find like plain old bubble bath and I can't find it anywhere. So I did see this on Shoppers Drug Mart. This is the Lavender Chamomile Vita Bath Bubble Bath. It's a really big bottle. I've used this now 2 times, and let me just tell you, I'm using it 2 times. We're down to about here, and that seems like a lot, but it doesn't really seem to bubble up that much. It smells really, really good, really nice scent, and it gives you some bubbles, but not nearly. Like, I want that like 1980s laying back in the bathtub vibe of like bubbles everywhere. Funny story, when I was like 4, me and my sister were having a bath together, and we put the entirety of every shampoo bottle in the bathroom in our bathtub, and my parents were not impressed. So I guess I do. I really like bubbles and always have. But I'll definitely use it up. It smells great, but it doesn't give me as much bubbles as I wanted. This I am really excited for. I haven't tried it yet because I've been waiting to haul this, but I think I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna try it tonight. But this is the Watermelon Melting Balm, Hydrating Cleansing Balm with watermelon and hemp seed oil. I am so excited for this. It was $24, but like the pharmacy one is like 50 something. I think it's 50 something. And I'm sure that this is probably the same amount. This is 3.4 fluid ounces. And you can kind of see like it's kind of a thick balm there, and it smells super good. I guess the oil is kind of separating a little bit too, but it smells really nice. So I'm just really excited to try this out and see what it's about, because you know how much I love the pharmacy cleansing balm. So I was very intrigued when it came to that. Also from Shoppers, they do the best samples. All of their samples that they give out are deluxe sample size samples, and they also gave me a free gift with purchase, which was a Smashbox mascara. I gave away almost all of those because I've been doing a wine ninja group. I don't know if you're aware that this is going around, but you basically like anonymously drop off gift bags full of wine and other things. Of course, I've been putting in beauty products. It's been so much fun to be the ninja. Like I received a bag as well, but being the ninja, I keep doing it because it's just addictive. Like, it's such a fun feeling to just like sneak up to people's houses and leave them a present. Anyways, so long story short, I gave away most of the samples, but I did keep this one. This is from the brand Pai, P-A-I, and it's a deluxe sample of the avocado and jojoba hydrating day cream. So I will try that. All right, I purchased this because I've heard really good things about it, and I'm here to tell you that I really do enjoy it. This is the mascara I'm wearing today. It is so hard, I know guys, on camera, which is why all YouTubers wear false eyelashes, because you can hardly see eyelashes in a video. You really can't, especially with the heavy eyeliner. But like in real life, you can definitely see them better. But this is the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift. I've been wearing this for about a week now, and I really do enjoy it. So it's got that, I want to say this is now like the most popular type of mascara wand, the hourglass shape. You know, everybody and their mother is coming out with this shape, and Maybelline finally did it, I guess. But I like this formula a lot. It separates really well. I do need two coats, 2 thick coats to get like enough of a thickness. So I just do one eye, then I move on to the other, and then I go back in on each again. And I feel like it does a really good job. So I'm pretty impressed, especially the drugstore. Good. All right, I purchased 2 things off of Facebook groups. Now, when I say Facebook groups, these are like makeup selling groups, Secondhand. Most people, I think, sell brand new things for the most part, but like these are kind of things you'll find on BoxyCharm groups or that kind of stuff. So people that's selling stuff they don't want. The first thing I purchased was this. It is a full-size Benefit Professional, and you guys know I love Benefit Professional. I always kind of measure every single pore filling primer against this one. So my 2 favorites are the NARS Smooth and Protect. That is my absolute favorite, and this is my second favorite. You know, the classic Benefit Professional. This was 15 bucks. It was selling it, shipping and everything, 15 bucks. Normally $43. I know BoxyCharm had sent these out, and that's why. So I am super happy about that one. The next thing I purchased was the Makeup Forever Starlit Glitter. Okay, I bought this one. It came yesterday, and I was looking at it. I haven't even opened like the plastic. I was looking at it through and I go, that really looks like the one I have already. And then I looked at the number S806 and I looked at the number S806. I already have this and I purchased it. What was I thinking? I should have double checked. This is the pink glitter one. Obviously this is mine. This is the one I bought. All I'm gonna say is, you know, I'll give you one guess on who's getting this for Christmas. So there's that. But it is super fun, just like perusing the Facebook makeup groups for just really good deals. All right, Winners reopened. Those of you that don't know, Winners is the Canadian version of TJ Maxx. So they reopened the other day. Myself and my friend were in line 10 minutes after they opened, and there was already a huge lineup. We had to wait, social distance, of course. And we got in there, and because it was the first day, there was so much on clearance because they've been closed for 2 months. So everything that they would have sold has still been coming in, or like they've received more shipments during that time and couldn't sell it. So they've clearanced a ton of stuff. This I actually anti-hauled last year when it was released, but I'm gonna put a little like excuse. This is totally fine because if it ends up at Winners, then you're allowed to buy it, right? That's the way it should be. It's the Anastasia Riviera palette. So I did really want this. In fact, the anti-haul I had put it in is makeup that I really want, but I'm not gonna buy. But I did end up buying it because it was $24. And that's Canadian. Normally Anastasia palettes are $65 here. So this is it here. Now the 2 shades that the reason that I wanted this palette to begin with last year, there are 2 shades in particular. Seaside and Inheritance, I believe, are the ones that I was really drawn to. So these 2 right here, they just look super unique. Oh, that is very velvety. Ooh, very velvety. By the way, I took off my nails. Oh, I should have said this at the beginning. I've been back to work for 2 weeks and 2 days. The 2 weeks were the weeks getting my store ready to reopen, and today was the 2nd day we were reopened. So it's been a long road and it's been very tiring, and yeah, why did I get on this tangent? I don't know. Anyways, these are the 2 shades that I originally wanted this for. This one, very specifically this one, Seaside, because it's not just gray silver, it's lavender. It's like, it's got a purple shift to it, and that's what really intrigued me about it. And then this gold is not just gold, it's like yellow, and you don't often see yellow metallic as opposed to gold metallic. Do you know what I'm saying? So I was super excited to. Now I'm gonna wonder what train of thought I was on when I went off on that tangent. When I'm editing, I'll remember what I was gonna say. Anyways, when I was also in Winners, I purchased 2 of these, one for my friend, and also the Alyssa Edwards palette was 20 bucks. And so I got that for her as well, because she is definitely into bold colors like that too. So there were some really, really good deals to be had. I haven't used this yet. It was literally 2 days ago. So also purchased this. I got a lot of snacks too. They were really clearancing up snacks and dog treats, like super cheap. Anyways, this is from Grace Cole. I really like the Grace Cole, and I think these are also marketed under some other brand that they have, like Essence or something. Anyways, on clearance for $4. This is the Eau Accord, so O-U-D, and Velvet Musk Relaxing Bath Soak. So I'm wondering if it's like bubble bath. I literally bought this one today. I had to go back and buy a birthday gift. So I just saw this there and I'm really not sure. It smells very musky. Like it smells almost masculine, but still like very like musky in a good way. So I'll try it out. Who knows if this is a bubble bath or what it's going to do for me, but I wanted to try it. So on the last day of the sale, I purchased the Benefit Brow products, the Precisely by Brow Pencil. But I had told you about that in the last one. What I didn't tell you about was this that was also on its way to me. This is the Ordinary 100% plant-derived squalane. I have decided that I love squalane, my skin loves squalane, and I certainly don't like paying a price for it. I've gotten a couple, not just one, a few of the little samples of the Biosense Rose and Squalane together. Also, I used up an entire, and you'll see it in my next empties, an entire bottle of the Good Molecules Squalane. So I know I really like it, but I don't want to pay like the Biosense prices. Good Molecules prices are perfectly fine though, and I'm sure at some point I will repurchase from them, but it's just a little bit easier to order from Sephora. So they had the Ordinary. I don't know how this smells. Some of them have a scent, some of them have a good scent, some of them don't. No, this is scentless, but I just love how soft it seems to make my skin. So, and this was like $6 or something crazy. Also, they put on clearance after the sale a whole bunch of stuff, including the Kapari Coconut Rose Toner. I love this. I hope they're not just clearancing it out, because I've been buying this now, I want to say for 2 years. Like I've been through multiples of these at full price. It's just the most refreshing spray. I use it as the last step in my skincare, but it also can be used just like as a refresher, like right now. Oh, it just has the nicest scent. It's not just rose, it's like sweet, and it's left little droplets on my face. Like sweet and kind of, well, I guess it's the coconut oil component of it as well. But I love the way this feels. It just feels so refreshing. This is actually my favorite moisturizer to use when I'm using that. This is the Hella Fab Coconut Water Cream from First Aid Beauty. I have been through multiples of these. If you've been with me for a while, you know that. This is actually in my medicine cabinet because I busted it open right away. And as soon as I put it on my skin, I was like, yes, I've missed you. It's just the most refreshing, hydrating moisturizer ever. So huge favorite. And then this one I have fallen in love with. So I got a 100-point perk of this, and I've been using, this hair is bothering me. I'm sure it's bothering you that I'm touching it so much. Anyways, I've been using it for probably a week, and skincare in general, I don't find most skincare gives me immediate results or anything that I can say like right away, oh my gosh, this is amazing. However, every time I've used this and I like touch my skin, you know, an hour later or the next day or whatever, my skin is so soft and plump. So this is the Belief, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. So I guess there's one called the Aqua Balm, and this is the Moisturizing Balm. This stuff is no joke, so plumping and like so moisturizing. You can feel it on your skin. So I've been using the 100-point perk, and I just had to buy it. So I'm so happy to be trying it on a consistent basis. Also got 2 foundation samples. Funnily enough, Sephora let me pick 2 samples per order. These are the only samples I got from like 3 different orders from them. So I don't know what's up with that, but these are both foundations. I kind of would like to try some new foundations, so this is a good way to do it. The Wander Beauty Nude Illusion, and then the Beauty Blender Bounce, which has been out for a while, but I've never tried it. Okay, last stuff is all from London Drugs. This was on for 99 cents. I don't know if you guys care. Originally $5.99. It's just like a little seagrass basket. And I think I'll probably like put brushes in or something, but 99 cents, thank you. Okay, so I repurchased my Duo Lash Glue. I'm right at the end of mine. I can feel it, like it's getting to be where I have to really squeeze it. And it's also a little bit old at this point in time, so that was a good repurchase. I also needed wipes. I usually buy the ones from Urban Planet, but Urban Planet has been closed for 2 months. So I went and got these ones. These are the Nivea 3-in-1 cleansing wipes, and I really like them. I don't use it for taking off my makeup unless I'm like taking off like liquid lipstick or something, and just replacing my lipstick through the day, so I want to be precise. But I do use them for taking off swatches, or like, what do I do in the morning? I definitely use it for like cleaning my dip brow brush. Like, it's just, there's so many uses for wipes other than just taking makeup off your face. And I got this as well. This is a glass nail file from the brand Star Rose. Obviously don't have any nails now, but I always seem to need these, so I just thought I'd get it. It was on clearance for $3.99 for a glass one. I've always wanted a glass one. And then the last two things in this haul are Kiss lashes. They were on clearance. I couldn't help myself. These are chiffon. You guys have heard me talk about these forever. So chiffon, these are in my top 2 from Kiss Lashes. And then these ones are the new Luxtensions Russian Volume. So I have already purchased these when they first kind of came to the drugstore, and I use them all the time. So, you know, they've got the Lash Couture Naked Drama, Lash Couture Luxtensions. I can't remember what kind Gala is called, but they're, any of the Lash Couture ones from Kiss are just like awesome. Okay, that is it for my haul today. I hope that you really enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.